In the Thunder's first game without Russell Westbrook in the playoffs, Kevin Durant scored 41 points tonight. The Thunder look to close out the Rockets with a sweep. Jeremy Lin out of the game with a bruised chest. We start you off in the first quarter, Kevin Durant being double-teamed. That's nothing unusual. This also nothing unusual. Hoop and harm. He was 12 of 16 from the field, but it's Houston up at this point despite that terrific shot from Durant. The score 16-14. Then James Harden driving through for the tough layup and the foul. But that was James Harden's only field goal at the half. Houston up 21-16 over the Thunder after that terrific shot high off the backboard. Into the second quarter we go, and this is James Harden struggling, turning the ball over. On the other end, Kevin Martin ends up with a three. Harden had 7 turnovers at the half and only 6 points through 24 minutes. OKC up by 3. Then Kevin Durant with the bank shot, part of a 12-0 Thunder run. They're up 43-34. Harden again turning it over. Kevin Durant diving out of bounds. We go the other way, and it ends up with Kevin Martin outside with the 3. Martin 2 of 5 from distance on the game. Look at Durant one more time. Just full extension into the crowd. At the half, OKC up 60-53, so it would need to be an acrobatic second half from the Houston Rockets, to say the least, for them to come back and extend this series. Third quarter, it's Chandler Parsons to the rack with strength. 11 of 21 from the field, almost blocked, but somehow he gets that shot to go down. The Rockets up by a single. They're still up by 1 later, third quarter. James Harden flying through. He had 15 points on the game, but 10 turnovers in the end. Kevin Durant diving again into the scorers table. This time, it doesn't end up so well. Chandler Parsons on the other end with the throwdown. Houston up 78-73, and Durant appears to have hurt himself. Watch it one more time. Going right into the NBAtickets.com sign right there. He would be okay, thankfully, for OKC. Later, Carlos Delfino bringing a little more pain to Kevin Durant. Absolutely mashing that one. Hoop and harm, and look at the Rockets bench. They can't believe what they're seeing. Delfino, 13 points on the game. Then Kevin Durant gets the rebound. We go the other way. Time winding down in the third quarter. Look who's there. Durant controls, puts it back up, and it goes down just before the end of the third quarter. Look at the time, and Durant releases it just before the third quarter, and the light goes off on the backboard. We go to the fourth quarter now. Rockets in transition, but Derek Fisher draws the offensive foul on James Harden. That's his 5th foul, and when he was out, Reggie Jackson went off. Derek Fisher offensive board. Reggie Jackson skying for the jam. He had 18 points on the game, also 2 of 7 from distance. This a key one as the Thunder cut the lead down to 2, 198, less than 5 to go in the game. Carlos Delfino driving and giving to Chandler Parsons, who lays that one in. 27 points, 10 rebounds for Parsons, who just carried the Rockets in this game. Derek Fisher now nails the 3 as the shot clock expires, or did he? Let's go to the replay and check it out one more time. That's what the refs are going to do, and you see on the other end, the light is on, the ball still in Derek Fisher's hand. Chris Webber told him at the game, no, sir, it's no good. Derek Fisher's shot waved off. Now, less than 2 to go. Kevin Durant just tearing it up at that point. That cuts the lead down to 4, and then Durant, again, a monster jam, cuts the lead to 2, 105-103. He was just a beast in this game, 38 points. James Harden off, air balls, less than a minute to go. Houston's lead down to 2. Kevin McHale concerned. We continue, 45 seconds, 39 seconds, 35 seconds, and Kevin Durant gets called with an offensive foul. A huge call. OKC could have tied it. It was a close play, but Patrick Beverley gets the charge call, and we go the other way. James Harden, a chance to give Houston a working margin, but he misses the shot, and it's still just a 2.1 possession game. 12.1 seconds left. Kevin Durant, a chance to win it and win the series, but he loses his dribble, gives it to Reggie Jackson, who doesn't receive the pass cleanly. He drives to the basket, which is the right thing to do, misses Serge Ibaka with a chance to tie, but he doesn't get the rebound layup to go down. An easy chippy for Serge Ibaka. He makes it 99 out of 100 times. This was that one time, though. And in a shot reminiscent of Dikembe Mutombo when he won, Serge Ibaka falls to the floor. He loses, and we go to Game 5 as the Rockets take down the Thunder by 2.